What you're seeing isn't just a truck. It's the revival of one of America's most iconic pickups, a vehicle that once symbolized hard work, reliability, and timeless design. This is the 2026 Chevrolet 3100, a modern interpretation of a classic that helped define the golden era of American pickups while inspiring generations of drivers. Welcome back to Artos Hub, where automotive legends are reimagined with contemporary engineering, presence, and performance. Today we're stepping into a pickup that bridges history and innovation, blending the nostalgic charm of the original 3100 with the modern technology, comfort, and capability expected in 2026. The front end immediately sets the tone. A wide, upright grille dominates the nose, finished in polished chrome with bold Chevrolet lettering, a nod to the heritage of the original 3100. Slim LED headlights maintain the classic rectangular proportions, combining vintage aesthetics with modern lighting efficiency. The hood stretches long and flat, featuring subtle sculpted lines that hint at the power beneath, while reinforcing the truck's confident stance. Every element communicates strength, durability, and purpose. From the side, the 3100's proportions tell the story of its legacy. Straight belt lines run from front fender to tailgate, while slightly flared wheel arches house large alloy wheels, blending traditional toughness with contemporary style. Chrome-accented mirrors and minimal trim add refinement without diminishing the pickup's rugged character. The cab flows naturally into the bed, creating a silhouette that is clean, cohesive, and unmistakably Chevrolet. The bed design preserves its functional roots. Straight rails, a flat floor, and reinforced sides provide maximum utility, while subtle modern enhancements, such as integrated tie-downs and protective liners, make it practical for both work and recreation. Slim vertical LED taillights retain classic proportions while offering contemporary visibility and safety. The rear bumper is simple, strong, and purposeful, completing a design that balances authenticity with modern functionality. The 2026 Chevrolet 3100 isn't just a tribute to the past, it's a living reinterpretation. Its exterior communicates heritage, capability, and character, setting the stage for the performance, handling, and interior features that make this pickup fully modern while respecting its legendary roots. Beneath the classic exterior of the 2026 Chevrolet 3100 lies a modern chassis engineered for strength, precision, and confidence. A reinforced frame provides exceptional rigidity, ensuring the truck feels planted at speed while maintaining durability for heavy-duty tasks. The front suspension is fully independent, delivering sharper steering, improved handling, and a smoother ride over city streets, highways, and uneven terrain. In the rear, a multi-link setup with adaptive dampers balances load-bearing capability with comfort, allowing the 3100 to carry cargo while remaining composed and stable. Every mechanical detail has been updated to honor the original 3100's legendary reputation while offering contemporary performance. Powering the 2026 3100 is a high-torque V8 engine engineered for both smooth acceleration and serious hauling capability. Whether towing trailers, carrying heavy loads, or cruising the open road, the throttle response is immediate, deliberate, and refined. The exhaust delivers a deep, confident growl reminiscent of classic Chevrolet pickups, blending heritage character with modern refinement. Coupled with a smooth shifting automatic transmission, the truck maintains performance across all driving scenarios, combining raw capability with a sense of ease that makes driving enjoyable and intuitive. Braking is precise and confident. Large ventilated disc brakes paired with traction and stability control systems ensure predictable stopping power under all conditions. The combination of suspension, powertrain, and braking delivers a truck that feels both agile and capable, honoring the 3100's history while making it fully suited for modern driving expectations. Inside, the cabin continues the balance of nostalgia and modern utility. Horizontal dashboard lines echo the classic 3100 interior, but are enhanced with premium materials, soft-touch surfaces, and brushed metal accents. Seats are supportive and comfortable for long drives or heavy-duty work, while contrast stitching adds a subtle touch of refinement. A digital instrument cluster integrates key vehicle information seamlessly, while the infotainment system offers navigation, media, and connectivity without disrupting the cabin's classic aesthetic. Storage compartments, intuitive controls, and practical features ensure the interior is as functional as it is stylish. Every detail is deliberate, merging heritage-inspired design with contemporary convenience. The 2026 Chevrolet 3100 pickup strikes a perfect balance: classic design, modern engineering, and thoughtful usability. Its chassis, suspension, powertrain, and interior work together to create a truck that is versatile, dependable, and unmistakably a modern interpretation of a timeless Chevrolet legend. The 2026 Chevrolet 3100 pickup comes alive on the road, proving that heritage and modern engineering can coexist seamlessly. From behind the wheel, the truck feels purposeful and connected. Steering is responsive and precise, offering confidence whether navigating tight city streets or open highways. The reinforced chassis and adaptive suspension keep the truck composed at speed, minimizing body roll while maintaining a smooth, controlled ride. Every movement communicates the strength and character of a vehicle built for work, adventure, and presence. The bed continues the truck's legacy of utility. Its flat floor and straight, reinforced rails provide ample space for heavy loads, tools, or recreational gear, while integrated tie-downs and durable liners make modern hauling simple and practical. Vertical LED taillights honor the classic design while delivering contemporary visibility and safety. The rear bumper is strong and purposeful, with integrated steps for easy access, blending functionality with visual balance. This is a bed designed for work, play, and everything in between. Inside, the cabin balances nostalgia with modern convenience. Seats are comfortable and supportive, ideal for long drives or tough workdays. Soft-touch materials, brushed metal accents, and contrast stitching elevate the tactile experience, while the horizontal dashboard and digital instrument cluster blend classic style with practical information. The infotainment system offers navigation, media, and smartphone integration without disrupting the timeless design. Every element is intentional, creating a cabin that feels both familiar and modern. Performance is refined and capable. The high torque of V8 delivers smooth, responsive acceleration, whether the truck is loaded or empty. The transmission shifts seamlessly, and braking is predictable and confident, supported by traction and stability systems that operate silently in the background. This is a pickup that feels in complete control, no matter the conditions. The 2026 Chevrolet 3100 pickup is more than a revival. It is a statement. Its exterior presence, mechanical performance, interior refinement, and bed utility combine to create a vehicle that honors its history while thriving in the modern era. Every line, every detail, every feature reinforces the truck's identity as a Chevrolet legend reborn. In the end, the 2026 3100 pickup proves that true classics don't fade. They evolve. Heritage, craftsmanship, and capability merge to create a modern truck ready for work, adventure, and everyday driving. It's versatile, commanding, and unmistakably a Chevrolet icon, ready to dominate roads while preserving the legacy that made it legendary.
What?